This is room 1707 in the North Tower at the Four Queens. As soon as you walk in, you've got a closet here with mirrors, an extra pillow, ironing board, hangers, iron, and of course a luggage rack. The bathroom is to the right, just a standard small bathroom. It's got everything you need: hair dryer, toiletries. I just tried the shower and the water pressure seems fine. Just standard bathroom here. Tub and shower. Comes with a coffee maker, which is nice. I wish it had a mini fridge. There's a plug right here, and directly across from it, there's another outlet there. Those are the only two outlets in the room. I guess because it's an older hotel, it's too bad that there's not more outlets, and I forgot to bring an extension cord, but oh well. The TV, I turned it on. It has a lot of channels, so a decent selection on the TV. It comes in well. I really like my view here because I can see the Stratosphere. I can see Resorts World, it looks like, or is that the Wynn or Encore? I can't tell. I can also see the Rio, probably the Palms over there. So that should look nice at night. They said on Monday, today is Wednesday, that I could change my room to the South Tower, but I may not do it because I don't think I'm going to hear anything from the Fremont Street experience from this room, but we'll see. This should look nice at night. I can't wait to see how it looks. There's the, of course, Golden Nugget right there. So I'm enjoying the room so far. Let me see the standard telephone. Of course, lamps here. I haven't tried them to see if they work. That one works. This one works as well. All right. There's the air conditioning unit control. So, all in all, and there are no resort fees at the Golden Gate, and I think we can use the Four Queens rather, and I think we can use the pool across the street at the Fremont Hotel, I believe. So this is it. You know, it's perfectly decent. I'm happy with it.